This is going to be today's video review for Monday, August the 17th, 2015 for Drum Energy Bands. Please read our trading disclaimer. Today our trader is still looking at the 6,000 tick chart. However, he's also very interested in learning about how to scalp the market. Being a position trader intraday as well as wanting to scalp the market is something he does quite often. There's a very specific level of resistance that we've drawn here today from not Friday but Thursday's crest of resistance. We draw crests if you're just joining us by the white dotted midline hooking down. We draw a pink line from there for resistance. When the white dotted midline hooks up, we draw a valley of support. So coming into today, we had two levels that we were watching. The trader was up quite early. This particular down pink arrow provided a nice short setup, and of course this valley of support here is providing some buys. Nonetheless, there's been some buys off this level because the beauty of visual energy analysis is you draw your levels and then you wait for price to come back to them. So let's have a look at this down pink arrow for a short for someone that was up early in the morning. So if you look here at the right chart, I've drawn this crest of resistance, comes in about 45.5. You notice price rallies up. Now this price is rallying above the upper energy band of this left chart. You'll notice it's drawn in here in the thick magenta. As price is doing so, it's trying to get above the upper energy band, but it's putting in a crest of resistance of its own on the trade chart. So you can see that this green up arrow here on the left chart is pointing to a magenta dot. So we know when this bar closes, the energy of the dot has fallen back and it's weak. So there's no reason why when we go into this level of resistance here, this crest shown here on the right chart, that we're not salivating to get short, because we've got a huge expectation for our target much lower, realizing that this upper energy band has become strong and price is about to flush. So you'll notice that price is having difficulty moving higher into an exhaust above this upper energy band. So there's no wonder our trader who's up at this time on the red brick doesn't he go short, because he's got two levels of resistance to lean on. That particular trade does have a target using the left cycle of down here to minimum of this thick white dotted line that comes in at about 12. So price does actually get down there. On its way down, it offers the scalper or intraday position trader to add to his position or initiate. You notice again we're here returning back on up at about 5:45 into this upper energy band here of the left chart. You'll notice that as price rallies up into it, we put in a crest of resistance with a weak dot push for a red brick sell. Price does go down quite further from there. So you notice here on the right chart, we've drawn in a thick green line here at about 6 3/4. That's the same line here on our left chart. You'll notice this price is coming down into it. It's also coming down into this energy band here that is located there on the right chart. It's actually this energy band here on the left chart. So as price comes down into it, we get a weak dot push into this valley of support, and there's no wonder our trader doesn't get long here, or if he didn't miss it, he'd get long there. Now price rallies up from there and falls back down, so the scalper had a opportunity there. As we come back to the 6.5 level here, you'll notice to the right chart that we do not have a setup here. Price goes lower into this energy band, and then we get a valley of support, weak dot push, another quick scalp here for the trader. Price pulls back down. You'll notice that this 6.5 level from the left chart is being picked up here on our right chart. So scalps from this, another weak dot push into a valley of support, is definitely, something the active trader can take advantage of. So using the 6,000 tick, if the 600 tick is giving too fast setups for a trader's mind, they can just add a 0 and put it into a 6,000 tick chart. And there's definitely lots of lines that we can use, but specifically the lines we like to use are the ones that we have to wait for. And as you can see, they're all projected in advance. We've got an expectation of this trade back on up to this midline here, which is at about 20 3/4, based on our cycle theory that we teach. If you're interested in learning more, send us an email at jb@drummondenergybands.com. Thank you.